In this video, I'm demonstrating on how to utilize variable price barcode labels that come from label printing sales, such as the one that you see here, CAS LP1000. And I'm going to utilize this barcode now on Shopify POS using a mobile device. But before that, we need to get this item set up on our Shopify products. And what will follow is the way to set this item up on Shopify. All right, so again, to be able to process these barcodes on Shopify store, first we need to create this item. And this is our T-bones. And I partially already have it, but I'm going to open it and show you how it's set up. So here's the item. We can give it a name, we can give it a description, make sure that it's active. The price has to match, right? The price per unit. So on this label, the price per unit is $99.99. And also the product code is going to be the 6 digits, the first 6 digits that you see on this barcode, not the entire barcode, but just the first 6 digits. And again, if you also see a 0 that, if your barcode starts with a 0, you want to ignore it, because generally barcodes ignore that 0 as well. It's the one that's kind of outside of the entire set, and so it's just ignored, and then it's just the next 6 digits. In my case, it's 2 followed by 5, by 4 zeros, by 1, right? So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, okay? And that's all we really need, and we're gonna go ahead and hit save. And now that we have this item set up on our inventory or product, however you want to call it, the rest of the functionality of this app is going to be accessed through our mobile device, right? So whatever device you're utilizing to access your Shopify POS, make sure that the Variable Price Barcode Parser app is installed on it. And I'm going to demonstrate how that part functions. All right, so we finished the setup of an item on our product, and now we are going to access our Shopify POS store utilizing basically, here it is, home. All right, so here it is. And once we've opened the store, there's going to be an app called Variable Price Barcode Parser. That's the app that enables Shopify to read these barcodes. And let me go ahead and, so I have this barcode here. This is the one that we've generated prior, right, for $44. And my app went up. So here it is, it's coming up. There's going to be a message about accepting cookies. You have to accept the cookies. Let's go ahead and just go with this one for now and just click on scan barcodes. And so here it is. We are now ready to go ahead and try to scan this barcode. And when we do, the item is found and the price is properly plugged. And let me give you a difference. So right now you can see that we're going to produce same item but different weight, and therefore the price is going to be $73.99. And so let me go ahead and pick this up, scan a barcode. Here it is, $73.99. How cool is that?